Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you are new to my channel. I welcome everybody. And this is the 16th week for the 52-week challenge. If you are new, I will link some of my previous or probably my first ever 52-week challenge back in January, so you will get the feel of what we do or how we do it and everything. And then if you want to print out the 52-week challenge printable, I will link that down below also for you guys. So today we are going to be doing the right side once again. Like I said, I want to knock it out because I have more of the left side colored in than I do on the right side. So today, let's see how much we are going to put in. We're going to put 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I have an extra dollar, so I can't do 30 because I already did that. So we're going to put that dollar aside. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. $29 is how much we are going to put in. So we're going to get our coloring. So I switched back. I just started the green, so we're going to switch to blue. And we're just going to color that in. Now, I always ask y'all how y'all are doing with everything that's going on. I am doing good. Let me know how you're doing on this 52-week challenge. Did you have to pause it because of what's going on? Did it give you momentum to like save a bunch of money because we can't go anywhere really because all the stores are closed? Let me know how you are doing. Are you saving or are you still spending? I feel like I'm saving a little bit, not as much as I want to, but I think I am. All right, you guys, so $29 is colored in. So now we're going to get my snowflake little box. Now I need to go to the bank and deposit this because that's a lot of money. Let's see. I'm going to get all of this situated. So then we'll count it. All right. 50, 2, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So that's $300 already. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $304 is how much we have saved since January. I need to get some bigger bills or get rid of some of these ones. That's probably what I'll do for my cash envelopes. All right, $304. That's actually really good, you guys. We're just going to take our Erin Condren. So if you are new, I use the Erin Condren planner. This is the 7.9 planner. And if you want your new planner, the link will be down below. You get $10 off your first purchase. And then I get, I think, 500 points, which equals to $10, I think. I think $5 or $10. I can't really remember. But $10 is great. I did it when I got this. I purchased... Well, actually, I got my old planner, so I used my $10 for the bigger planner, and then Jared bought me this for Christmas. All right, so $29 is how much we put in, and then we have $304 left over. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all are having a great week. Let me know down below how you're doing as always, and be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that notification because you will be notified every Tuesday when I upload these videos, or every other Saturday when I upload my other budgeting videos, or Sundays when I upload my grocery haul weekly meal plan. So let me know down below, and yeah, so I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.